12:25 here on this warmer day across the valley coming up, and I think you guys are on the wrong computer. Go to Max 1. I knew my mind wasn't going crazy. I knew it was on the wrong one. Here were the lows this morning across the valley. This was the coldest morning we've seen since November 15th in most areas. We made it down to the 30s, stayed above freezing, but some places in the 30s. We hit 37 in Harlingen, 37 in Rio Grande City, 45 in Port Mansfield, a little chillier in some areas north of the valley, but you get the idea. It was pretty cold. Now, overall, when we look at the entire month of November so far, we still have a couple days left. I picked some of these years out, and I'll explain why in a second. But the average temperature, if you take the high and low each day and average it out, comes to 65.6 this year, which is one of the coldest in recent history here. I took it all the way back to 1976 in Brownsville because 1976 was the coldest on record for any time in Brownsville of any year. But starting from that year, the coldest on record, we've only had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in years, including this November, where it stayed about this cold or colder. So again, not the warmest Novembers. It stays kind of chilly out there, and this is one of the coldest we've seen in about the last 40 years or so. So mainly sunny skies coming back today across the valley. Blue skies, high thin clouds around. Small rain chances could appear late Wednesday evening into Thursday as a weak disturbance rolls mainly to our south. But a warmer weekend. I think temperatures easily back in the 80s, might even touch 90 in some spots this weekend, like in Starr County or far western Hidalgo County. It does look very warm. Right now, though, it's still in the 60s, 66 in Weslaco and in Rio Grande City, 67 in Raymondville, and temperatures today on their way back up to around 70. By this evening, you saw before the break, we'll be falling back through the 50s with clouds, high clouds will be increasing sometime late this evening and overnight. Not too many out there now. The high thin clouds are coming through. The satellite radar shows not much happening besides a few high thin clouds. The thicker clouds are way back here to the southwest, and those will arrive, it looks like, overnight tonight and keep us pretty cloudy most of Wednesday and probably part of Thursday as well. Future track shows sunshine around today, dry weather, and then here come the clouds later this evening at 9 p.m. Already shows the high clouds thickening, and then overnight tonight kind of in and out of clouds. But notice on Wednesday we kind of cloud up, and I think most of tomorrow is going to be fairly gray. It may not be the really low, thick gray clouds, but kind of mid to high level clouds that block out a decent amount of sunshine. But clouds will keep on thickening. By later Wednesday evening and night, you see a few little patches of green. There might be a sprinkle or shower in spots, but very light stuff if it does form, and mostly offshore. But we could see a couple of showers around as we go through the day tomorrow. So showers are a little more likely on Thursday as the front moves through across the area and tries to push everything away. So on Friday, though, things clear out and start to warm up for the weekend. Today, your rain chances go from 0% today to 20%, maybe a shower or two in the evening by Wednesday evening. By Thursday, spotty showers are possible and very light rainfall amounts. Today, highs near 70 degrees, lots of sunshine around, low humidity, light winds, and dry conditions. By tonight, we drop down to around 54 degrees, clouds, and a nice, fairly cool night, not chilly like it was this morning. First 1-5-70 forecast, highs around 70 today, 73 tomorrow, 80 on Thursday. We may start off cloudy on Thursday, but if the sun starts to break through later in the afternoon, that could push us up to around 80. Best chance of a light rain shower or sprinkle coming kind of Wednesday night into Thursday morning and midday. Friday looks dry and getting warm, and look at the weekend still. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, still well into the 80s, and like I said, it may touch 90 in Starr County, but there is another fairly strong cold front could arrive by Monday nights, and next week will start to cool off pretty substantially again. We'll track that throughout the week in your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at noon.